Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Matt, your virtual Fiery IQ assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can edit a tolerance set in Fiery Verify. So let's get started. To edit a tolerance set in Fiery Verify, open Fiery IQ. From the Fiery IQ dashboard, select the ColorGuard application. Then in the left column, select Verification Presets. Once you are there, you will select Tolerance Sets in the top menu. Here, select the duplicate icon to the far right of the tolerance set that you would like to edit. Now select a delta E formula. Use the checkboxes to select the tolerance criteria you want. Then enter a limit for each criteria selected. Select either Warn or Fail to choose how each verification will behave when a measurement exceeds the limits you specify. Note: Warn is informative only and will still allow the comparison to pass. Fail will cause the entire comparison to fail. Click Save. You will now notice a copy of the original tolerance set that contains the edited information in your tolerance sets list. And that is how you edit a tolerance set in Fiery Verify. Thanks for watching.